Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Group 4. For this video, we'll be presenting about AIA Public Takaful Berhad, one of the top takaful operators in Malaysia. And this is our group members. In this introduction, I will explain a bit about insurance and takaful and the company that we choose, AIA Public Takaful. Both insurance and takaful help protect us from unexpected events like illness, accidents or death. But the main difference is in how they work. Insurance works by transferring risk and sometimes involve things not allowed in Islam, like riba, gambling and gharar. Takaful, on the other hand, is Sharia compliant. It's based on mutual help where everyone puts money into a fund and that fund is used to help members in need. In Malaysia, takaful is important because it gives ethical financial protection for those who want to follow Islamic values. One of the top takaful companies is AIA Public Takaful BHD. They mix Islamic with principle with global insurance experience to offer great product and strong partnership. Now let's look at the background of AIA Public Takaful Berhad. The company was officially established on March 11, 2011 as a public limited company. It is jointly owned by AIA Group, Public Bank and Public Islamic Bank, with AIA holding the majority stake. The main reason AIA Public Takaful was formed is to strengthen AIA's position in the takaful market here in Malaysia by combining their insurance expertise with the banking experience of Public Bank. Later, on March 1, 2014, the company became even stronger after a merger between two earlier takaful providers, ING Public Takaful Ihsan and AIA AFG Takaful. This merger allowed them to operate under one license as a more unified and solid takaful provider. AIA Public Takaful is based at Menara AIA in Kuala Lumpur. It benefits from the strong experience of its parent company AIA Group, which has operated in Malaysia since 1948 and in Asia since 1990. To reach more people, AIA Public Takaful used a dual distribution system through over 250 public plan branches and a wide network of AIA life planners across Malaysia, making their services more accessible. They offer financial protection through the Total Sharia solution, which focus on 5 key areas: faith, life, property, intellect and lineage. Their main product include investment-linked takaful, savings plan and coverage for critical illness, medical needs and life protection. AIA Public Takaful continues to raise awareness and provide meaningful protection to individual, families and communities across the country. Next, let's take a look at the organizational structure of AIA Public Takaful. The structure is built around several key elements designed to ensure Sharia compliance, strategic leadership and strong governance. There are 3 main components: the board of directors, the management team and the Sharia committee. Together, they form a comprehensive framework that enables the company to deliver high-quality, ethical and Sharia compliant solutions. These are the key people making sure the company operates smoothly from the management team. Zayuan Ping is the Director of Takaful Finance. Tan Chong Ter holds the role of Associate Director for Takaful Actuarial. Rina Sari Abdul Halim is the Associate Director for Business Outsourcing, Governance and Sharia. Next, we have Putri Haslinda Megat Ahmad Supian, who serves as the Associate Director of Enterprise Risk Management. Dan Yun Sui is the Associate Director responsible for Customer Proposition Marketing. Ahmad Faisal Ahmad Nawawi takes on the role of Associate Director of Compliance. Lastly, Shariza Ghaus is the Director Associate Strategy and Distribution Management. Let's meet the people leading the company at the highest level. These are the people at the top. They set the direction of the company and make sure everything is done properly. Each of them brings strong experience in areas like finance, insurance and business. First, we have Hani BINTI Ahmad, who is the chairperson. She's an independent non-executive director and holds a Bachelor of Economics majoring in Business Administration. Next is Datuk Suniza Yaakob, also an independent non-executive director. He has a Bachelor of Science Honours in Resource Economics. Datuk Chang Kat Kiam is a non-independent non-executive director. He holds a Master's in Business Administration from the University of Hull in the UK. Then we have Datin Dr. Rusna Muhammad, another independent non-executive director. She has a PhD in Accounting and MSc in Accounting and Finance. Chang Kin Leong is also an independent non-executive director with a degree in accounting from the University of Malaya. Datuk Seri Muhammad Hassan Kami is an independent non-executive director as well. He has a BSc in Actuarial Science and an MBA from the University of Lawa. He is also a fellow of the Society of Actuaries and CLU. And finally, Ben Ng is the executive director. He graduated with a BBA with highest distinction from the University of Nebraska Lincoln and is a fellow of both SOA and CIS in the US. Next, we have the Sharia Committee. Their main job is to make sure everything the company does follows Sharia principle. This includes all business activities, product and operation. The committee is made up of experts in Islamic finance and law. Leading the team is IR Dr. Muhammad Fuad Abdullah, the chairman. The other members are Professor Dr. Azanan Hassan, Professor Dr. Muhammad Rahim Osman, Khairul Anwar Muhammad Nur and Shabana Muhammad Mukhtar. They provide advice and make sure everything is in line with Islamic values.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. For my part, I'll be introducing the Takaful products offered by AIA Public Takaful Berhad. AIA offers a variety of Syariah compliant Takaful plans. They aim to protect individuals and families at different stages of life. These products are based on Islamic concepts such as MUTTALIB or Ta'awun and charitable contribution or Tabarruk. They focus on risk sharing and financial protection, covering areas like family Takaful, critical illness and also employee benefits. In the next part, I'll be highlighting the main types of Takaful products provided by AIA. Now, let's begin with the first category, which is life protection. AIA offers several family Takaful plans that focus on providing financial support in the event of death or permanent disability. So first, we have A Life IZAT, and this plan is tailored for individuals from 14 days all up to 16 years. It provides benefits in the form of death coverage, total permanent disability, and maturity payout equal to 100% of the account value. It also allows for optional add-ons like critical illness and also hospital income riders. For the next one, A Life Legacy. It comes with two options, which is Legacy Builder and also Legacy Beyond. So for the Legacy Builder, it is a regular contribution plan offering a protection against death, TPD, accidental death, and Hajj or Umrah coverage, along with financial habit rewards. For the Legacy Beyond, this is an investment-linked Takaful with growth potential and rewards like up to 8% from Legacy Reward and 60% from Legacy Booster. Lastly, we have A Life Kasih Family, and it is an affordable plan focusing on death, disability and accidental death with 200% payout. Customers also benefit from the surplus distribution and receive 100% of the accumulated value upon maturity. Moving on to medical protection, AIA's medical Takaful plans help customers finish rising healthcare costs. A Plus Total Health is a comprehensive medical plan offering financial assistance from hospitalization, surgery and other treatments. It includes coverage up to 2 million annually and it resets annually for uninterrupted benefits. There is also A Life Medic Family that focuses on families providing hospitalization and medical coverage tailored to different needs and budget. It allows flexibility in selecting annual and lifetime limits. Then we also have a Life Sejuta Makna, which offers the high starting coverage of 1 million. It provides protection for death, disability, and optional estate management support with add-ons for Hajj and Umrah. These medical plans aim to ensure that families have access to quality healthcare without financial strain. Next, we have critical illness protection. It is a vital category that provides support during serious health conditions. We have A Life Lady 360i is a Takaful plan that made specifically for women, offering protection during major life events. In case of death or total permanent disability, it ensures that the beneficiaries receive financial support. We also have A Life Cancer 360i that targeting one of the most pressing health concerns, which is cancer. This plan covers every stage from early detection to advanced treatment. It provides payouts according to the center stage to the cancer stage and offers peace of mind throughout the journey. A maturity benefit is quick at the end of the procedure. This category clearly shows AIA's commitment to support customers through challenging health conditions. Lastly, we have the savings and investing plan. A Enrich Gold I is a saving Takaful plan that balances guaranteed cash payout with investment growth potential. It is designed for individuals seeking long-term benefits like increasing cash returns, life and disability protection, and opportunities to grow wealth through selected investment funds. This plan is ideal for those who want to grow their wealth while remaining within a Sharia compliant framework.
Now I will present the financial report for AIA Public Takaful Berhad, which consists of year-over-year financial performance and then revenue composition, profitability drivers, and liquidity balance sheet strength. For year-over-year financial performance, we can see that the net profit for the company increased 2-digit for the percentage. So they increased 23% in 2023 from 2022, and then increased 22% from 2023 to 2024. And then for Takaful revenue, also increased in growth, which is 6% and 12%. 6% from 2022 to 2023 and 12% from 2023 to 2024. While the total asset also expanded from 19% in 2023 from 2022 and 20% from 2023 to 2024. So the net profit increase high enough because they have so much investment return in 2024, and also the revenue also increased so much because the public is invested in the Takaful, in the product of this company, so more of them buy the Takaful. And then for the total asset, they increase 30%. This reflects that the company have a very good capital management. So next, the revenue composition. You can see there are two sources of the revenue, which is Takaful service revenue and investment income. So they rely 72% on Takaful service revenue and 28% from investment income. We can say that they have only two main source of revenue. That's all. Next is profitability drivers, liquidity and balance sheet strength. For profitability drivers, the cost management, which is operating expense, grew only 6% versus revenue, which is growing 30%, while the investment gains is 433 million, which is 83% from 2023 to 2024 growth, which comes from Sukuk and equities. And then the tax efficiency, the effective tax rate of 80% versus statutory 24%. This, we can see that the cost grew slower than the revenue, which is good. And then the tax is also lower than the peers, which is also good. And then investment is gaining so much. And then for the liquidity and balance sheet strength, operating cash flow, which is 25 million versus 77 million outflow in 2023, which means they have gained more cash flows, because in 2023 they have negative cash flow, while in 2024 they got positive outflow. And then the cash reserve is 229 million, which is 9% growth from 2023. Ensure flexibility for their cash outflow and inflow.
This section explains the shareholding structure of AIA Public Takaful Berhad, which is a joint venture between AIA Group Limited and Public Bank Berhad. AIA holds a 70% majority stake, while Public Bank owns the remaining 30%. This 70-30 structure blends global insurance expertise with strong local banking presence. AIA brings international experience in life and health insurance, strong financial banking, and advanced digital tools, enabling the company to offer innovative Sharia-compliant products tailored to Malaysia's evolving needs. Meanwhile, Public Bank contributes through its extensive branch network and trusted reputation, enhancing the company's distribution capabilities via Bank Takaful. Together, this partnership positions AIA Public Takaful as a key player in the Malaysian Takaful industry, aligned with Bank Negara Malaysia's goal to promote Islamic finance and financial inclusion. Their long-term collaboration, extended until 2037, reflects a shared commitment to sustain growth and ethical financial protection in Malaysia.
So next, I'm going to talk about the future plans of the organisation. The first planning is talent development and career growth. Internship, management trainee programs, and leadership development tracks will be expanded to train future leaders in the Takaful industry. Like report prepared by Megat Daniel 2023, he experienced internship at AIA Malaysia in the marketing department. The duties included using Excel for data mapping, assisting the customer services, and verifying member contributions. Hence, they are committed to finding innovative solutions to improve the future of the communities. Number 2 is enhancing features on app and web.
AIA Takaful may boost customer satisfaction and trust by providing an easy-to-use service experience. The addition of multilingual chatbot feature like Malay, English and Mandarin, this would lessen the problem of not receiving assistance right away after business hours. Therefore, it can lessen the burden for agents and customer service since customers are able to effectively handle simple issues on their own. The third plan is by using social media approach to raise awareness. Most of the community, especially the young and the B40, are still confused about the basic concept of Takaful. Many people are unaware of the true advantages of having a protection plan. This confusion causes them to be less confident in participating in Takaful plans and continue to rely on conventional products that are not Sharia compliant. Therefore, AIA might be able to increase awareness through social media strategies and basic education. For example, TikTok or Instagram Reels content in the form of daily life storytelling and animations. I believe that this approach can raise young people's knowledge of Takaful and enhance AIA's reputation as an educational brand that does more than just sell. And the last one is by creating a family package or young couple plan. Many young couples don't know how to choose a family protection plan that suits their budget. Among their challenges is high financial commitment and inability to pay separate premiums for each family member. So, AIA may be able to introduce a more flexible and economical family Takaful package, especially for young couples or small families. For instance, if more than 2 family members are covered under a single plan, a 10 to 15% discount is offered under the family premium discount, making Takaful more affordable and easier to understand for young families. With this, AIA Takaful can play an important role in building Malaysian families that are prepared to face life challenges. In conclusion, AIA Public Takaful is a key player in the Malaysian Takaful industry that continues to record growth. To ensure continuous growth, AIA Public Takaful can focus on enhancing the customer experience digitally, providing accessible educational content, and launching more flexible and affordable protection plans. Furthermore, AIA Public Takaful is in an excellent position to expand and strengthen its position as Malaysia's preferred Takaful provider as a result to its firm foundation and wide range of market opportunities.